Okay guys, so after creating counter boxes, now he will add this text module and a button module. Okay, so let's create meet our client section. For this, we will add a row with 2 columns. Now before adding any module, we will edit the row. For this, we will click on this gear icon. Now I will select column structure and I will select this one. Now go to design. In sizing, I will equalize column heights. Now collapse the sizing section and go to spacing. Now I will add 60 pixels of top and bottom margin. Now click on this tick button, click on this plus button and add a text module. Now add your text here. Now after adding text, go to design. Here in text, I will change the font. I'll select Roboto. Now I will change its size to 16 pixels and line height to 1.8 em. Now click on this tick button and go to second column. Here I will add a button module. In button text I will add meet our team or meet our clients. Now go to design. Here in alignment I will make it right aligned. Now here in button I will enable style. First of all I will change the size to 16 pixels. Here is the button text color. Now here first of all I will enable hover. Now for the front end we will change the color to the blue, and for the back end I will make it white. Now button background, enable hover here. Now for the background I will change its color to red, and for the front end I will change its color to this one. Now go to button border color, enable hover here, choose blue color for the desktop view and red for the hover. Now scroll down. Here you have icon options. You can select icons. I will select this icon. Now scroll down. Here I will disable this only show on hover. Now the icon will appear like that. Now scroll down, go to spacing. Here I will add 7 pixels of top and bottom padding, 25 pixels to the left side and 45 to the right side. Now I have successfully added this button, so I will click on this tick button. Now I will update the page, so click on these 3 dots and save the page. Now the page was successfully updated. To take a live preview, click on this exit visual builder button. Now scroll down to the end of post. Here you can see you have added this text module and here a button module. Now in the next video, I will show you how you can add this brands or partner logo in your page using Divi. So keep following our upcoming videos to get to know how to create a single page website using Divi Builder.